Machita Namakhotman, Pitso Mosimane to Kaizer Chiefs, another opportunity for the club to hire Pitso Mosimane. This opportunity has come before. Pitso Mosimane has offered himself to Kaizer Chiefs before. Kaizer Chiefs did not take the opportunity to hire the best coach South African football, like African football. In this video, I'm going to discuss 3 sacrifices Pitso Mosimane needs to do in order for attack the Kaizer Chiefs job. The Kaizer Chiefs one sacrifice of Negi to hire Pitso Mosimane. So in the previous video, we agreed by Kaizer Chiefs assistant coaches Khalil Ben Youssef plus Cedric Kazi, they should continue with the span. But I say how much it have failed to impress. Ikhona Kaizer Chiefs fan ibibeke kamanje lewe yathi bayajonga ezi ingathi ngomnye uMolifi Ntseki kwanye Kevin Johnson lo. The two coaches as abantu who have been here since last season, who've had a preseason as players last season and again the preseason this season, bayazi le league, bazithwasa i-players, but amajita failed to provide equality. Abazibonakalisi, they had the opportunity, but abazibonakalisi. These two coaches have not shown any ability to lift Kaizer Chiefs to the next level. Amajita played 3 games at the start of the season, show unbeaten in 3 games, but if Excel Jones performances, Machita, but only results, but not the performances. And then go 2 games, 1 game, CAF Confederation Cup against Icobascope, Angola, poor performance. Amachita nen adlala neMoromo Gallants 1-1, poor performance. Skat Kaizer Chiefs from my top coach. His signings have been made, quality signings, the squad have been improved. Time for a top coaching. Ikona a top coach available in the country willing to coach Kaizer Chiefs. He has offered to Kaizer Chiefs on national television. Kaizer Chiefs is a big brand. He would not think twice about taking the job. Pitso Mosimane, the greatest ever coach South African football. The only coach in South African football with 5 league titles. Ezinye legends, Gordon Nickerson, Kevin Hunt, Ted Dumitro, all win 4 titles, but Pitso is the only one who win 5 titles. Salute Grootman, legend, more than a legend. And then the only coach in African football history to win 3 CAF Champions League titles. So Pitso, profile yake high. 3 sacrifices Pitso of Nikazenze in order to take the Kaizer Chiefs job. Number 1, Pitso needs to take a salary cut. This must be a passion project for yena Pitso. Pitso isalary sokuzo ku-Al-Ahly nase Middle East, Saudi Arabia, nase UAE, nase Iran. Pitso Kaizer Chiefs ayikho financial lane e1. Imali ende, imali ezigrot ezinde. Kaizer Chiefs ayizukwazi kuse uzimatcha Pitso suka kuzo. So Pitso kufuneka sacrifice londo. One of the greatest ever coaches in world football, uMarcelo Bielsa, wayeke Leeds United umjito wathatha salary cut. Another top coach in world football, Jose Mourinho, wayeke Roma, Serie A Italy, wathatha salary cut. Pitso Mosimane can do the same thing. For Pitso le move, I know about imali, ingaba about honor and history. For Pitso le move would not be about inyuku money, but it would be about the honor of coaching a giant in South African football, Kaizer Chiefs. Sacrifice number 2, Pitso of Nika Yenzile. Pitso une crew assistants, about 3 assistants, performance analyst, plus ne fitness trainer yake. Kaizer Chiefs senongakwazi kuse uafforda yonke lo crew. I think Pitso na even ne goalkeeper coach yakhe. Pitso Mosimane afuneka yenze sacrifice aze ne assistant ezi2 or 3 qha. I-team ezifana ne-Al-Ahly bezikwazi bana i-budget oba kusema zisayine uPitso plus ne-assistant zakhe. But Kaizer Chiefs yona isenongabikho kulo financial table. Kaizer Chiefs yona ikwenye i-tax bracket compared to as club uPitso becoacha kuzo. Kaizer Chiefs yona ingakwazi uafforda half of i-technical team kaPitso. Njengoba amajita MI6, Kaizer Chiefs uPitso noba ngaza ne-assistant ezi3 qha instead of 6. One of the best coaches has done this in Europe, Carlo Ancelotti. Ancelotti zangakwazi kuse ube nesa staff nesa assistant wayinazo kwi-Real Madrid compared to ngobeke Everton wafika plus ne-staff esi-less than ebenaso kwi-Real Madrid. Sacrifices ziyenziwa if kuse uyayifuna i-project. uPitso yena ngafuneka athembe assistants Kaizer Chiefs ezam-offerisha zona and then aze nezi zakhe like 1 or 2 amanqina wakhe. Sacrifice number 3 uPitso kufuneka yenzile zi-signings. Pitso siyamazi bafethu udume ngantoni, enye izinto odume ngazo uPitso top quality signings, uyazi-attracta and seyathanda ukwenza i-high profile signings. Sambona ki-Sundowns, sambona ki-Al-Ahly. uPitso ufuna cream of the crop. uPitso ufuna amabitso qondile e-players and Kaizer Chiefs sinongakwazi udeliverisha londo for uPitso. uPitso kufuneka sacrifice londo uba uzospana ngezi players zikhoyo Kaizer Chiefs and his players Kaizer Chiefs izakwazi uzithola in the next 2 to 3 seasons uPitso kwafuneke asacrifice assign iplayers Kaizer Chiefs ezakwazi kuse uzithola phana kafuneka polishe kancane kuse iRough Diamonds ethile by Kaizer Chiefs and akwazi usipana neLight uPitso siyamazi sesuku usipana neLight before example ngizathi nguPercy Tau and uPitso sesuku iprove leyo before he has done it before SuperSport United engathengi high profile players ngezazikhathi so bottom line bafethu if uPitso uyathatha ispan is not going to be about signing okanye inyuku le project uPitso if uyayithatha izoba about i-challenge plus ne-honor of coaching le club i-challenge yothathana ne-Sundowns ne-Orlando Pirates uPitso wafethu kasetinyani futhi uyenzile inyuku grand career yakhe suppose bakasana worry inyuku ngoku and then final point bafethu Kaizer Chiefs funeka enze sacrifice nayo a1 sacrifice enkulu Kaizer Chiefs bafethu yazi kuse i-club ecura nyanyani brand image yayo Kaizer Chiefs uPitso Mosimane bafethu yamazi senhliziyo yakhe beka etafilini uPitso inhliziyo yakhe and kuse Kaizer Chiefs funeka kuse sacrifice lewe ba uPitso uyayithetha nje imidlalo uthetha noba kanjani uPitso kwi-media Kaizer Chiefs i-team esiloko i-protect ba i-coaches zithetha njani kwi-media zithetha njani nge-brand zithetha njani nge-sponsors uPitso kuse uthetha isinoba bafethu siyamazi ngo-referee ngezinye i-players nge-players zakhe Kaizer Chiefs funeka i-sacrifice londo inyamezele londo for ba kusenoni ifuna uwina uPitso akazi utshintsha for uPitso le timer ibhola iwalk uPitso bafethu and uPitso akathanda uluza and uPitso seyaba bafethu xa eluzile jonga kuyaklanka kuyanuka bafethu kuse ki-press conference after uPitso eluzile even kuse interview after i-match pha engceni and uPitso ngenye isikhathi if kuse akagcwali i-management yakhe angakwazi uyichitha ki-media Kaizer Chiefs already bafethu team ethola intaba ye-media coverage then uPitso Kaizer Chiefs izothola more media attention because of uPitso good and bad so nazo bafethu 3 sacrifices uPitso funeka zenzile kuzoba kuse abambe isispan Kaizer Chiefs ne sacrifice 1 Kaizer Chiefs funeke iyenze for ba kuse uPitso abambe isispan canga noma bafethu masinqola lapha i-comments cela ngalibala support channel bafethu ushaye nje ulike okanye ifake qalidibana channel ushaye subscribe ngoba bafethu